Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, very quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the Bluetooth module, fuses and relays are located on Mercedes C-Class Generation W205. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. We'll talk about hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know where they're located. And by the way, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So where you can expect to find the Bluetooth module, fuses and relays, come and we'll show you here. We have that Mercedes C-Class we'll demonstrate on. Quick advice from us, there will be hidden fuse boxes that 9 out of 10 owners do not know where they're located in that Mercedes. That's why, guys, we made one special video on our YouTube channel to help you out. It's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video people told us saved them thousands of dollars in repairs. And what we need to do today, we need to open the passenger door. Here in the footwell compartment on the passenger side, on the A pillar on the right side, you have a cover. Open it, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. So if you have problems with the Bluetooth, guys, please make sure to stay until the end, because after checking the fuse we need to explain something else as well. Here what we need to do, guys, okay, you see these 3 fuses, those are specialized fuses. That's fuse MF1, MF2, MF3. MF2 is the one that we need, and here you have up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different fuses integrated in one fuse. So what you guys need to do, one of those will be for the Bluetooth module. Excuse me, remove it and test each one of them, because okay, there is very limited information exactly which one it is, but most likely one of them is for the Bluetooth module. Other things that you want to do is actually, guys, check the radio fuses, the command fuse as well, and you might want to pull these fuses, let the system stay without them for 10 minutes, see if it resets, and that fixes the problem as well. But those are the fuses, you don't have any relays, just a fuse that's known as a relay fuse that you need to check. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.